In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add parallax images on Shopify. Parallax adds a subtle motion effect to your background images as visitors scroll, giving your storefront a polished, professional feel. We'll use the Pagefly page builder, which makes this really straightforward even if you don't code. Start by heading to shopify.com and logging into your store. Click login, then sign in with your email or one of the available options. Make sure you're entering the correct store if you manage more than one. Next, open a new browser tab and go to apps.shopify.com. In the search bar, type Pagefly. This is a popular page builder with a user-friendly interface. Open the app listing, review the plan options if you need to, and install Pagefly. Approve the permissions to connect it to your store. Installation only takes a moment. Once that's done, return to your Shopify admin. In the app section, click Pagefly to launch the builder. If it's your first time, you may see a quick onboarding screen. Continue through it and choose the option to create your first page. Then select Start Creating Pages and choose Create Blank Page so you're working from a clean slate. You'll be asked to select a page layout. Pick the layout that fits your goal, such as a standard page layout if you're building a landing or content page. You can name the page at this point to keep things organized. On the left panel inside Pagefly, click Add Section. This is where you decide the structure of the content area. Choose a section template that suits your design. A simple full-width section works well for a parallax background. Now look to the right side of the editor for the styling panel. This is where you'll control how the section looks. Scroll down until you find the background settings. Here you'll see options for images and effects. Enable the parallax option to activate the scrolling depth effect. Next, select a parallax image. For best results, use a high-quality, wide image that's optimized for web, large enough to look sharp on desktop, but compressed to keep load times fast. After selecting the image, check that the focal point looks good and that your text, if any, remains readable. If your design needs it, you can adjust background position or add a subtle overlay color to improve contrast. When you're happy with the look, click Save. Your page now includes a parallax image section ready to impress visitors. That's it, clean, simple, and effective.